and I was feeling gross after pizza. And what do? I take a greens powder and I feel fine now. I don't feel greasy anymore. I don't feel, oh, that's sitting into my gut.
Dex2Real on Snapchat, what is your opinion on taking a super greens powder? Is it worth the money?
Good question. We've been getting a lot of questions on greens powder. So I've been working with a greens company since 2013 or so because I was looking for a supplement that can actually help fulfill your needs if you're not on point with your greens. And as a lot of people who travel, like I was traveling a lot, I was getting sick when I was traveling because I wasn't eating that well. And when I tried this greens powder, I was still not eating the best food while I was traveling, but I would take the greens powder, I wouldn't get sick at all.
Well, it's like a vitamin, basically.
It's got
a whole bunch of vitamins.
Superfoods in it. Your question is, what's our opinion on it? If it fits your budget, I would say this kind of greens powder is like at the top of the list of supplements.
It's not the cheapest of supplements.
It's not.
Like, that's why you say if your budget can fit it, because it's kind of pricey, but it's a health supplement.
Like, stop buying all these fat burner 2000 and...
Or how about alcohol?
Muscle mass gainer.
Alcohol out of your diet and start
muscle mass gainer 36,000, like all those things. Like, stop buying those and focus on health supplements. I mean, I gotta be honest, in the beginning, like when I was starting my journey, I fell for all that stuff with the supplements.
You thought you needed everything that GNC sells?
Yeah, I was going for, you know, the quick fix things, and then quickly realized when I bought them and did fit them into my budget, I didn't see that much of a change.
What kind of change do you think someone would see taking greens?
You just feel more, and I took a drink of greens before this show.
Now, I know.
My energy's up because we had pizza today.
And you were thinking about having a coffee, but since it's like 8 o'clock at night now, I was like, oh, it's a bit late for a coffee, so you took a greens instead because it does give you that. It's not a caffeine buzz, but it's like a jolt.
And I was feeling gross after pizza. And what do I do when I feel gross after eating like a cheat meal? I take a greens powder and I feel fine now. Like I feel like I don't feel greasy anymore. I don't feel like, oh, that's sitting into my gut. Fail. So it works for me, and when it comes to supplements, what I focus more on now is like health supplements, so vitamins, minerals, and greens powder, and it's all in there. I take Athletic Greens, we'll link it up down below because I've been working with them for so long and I like the product. So anyway, to get back to your question, I recommend a greens powder. I like it. If you can afford it, you can fit it in. We'll share the links to what we have. And it's not to say this is replacing eating salad and eating greens. It's just, once again, it's a supplement. It supplements the foods that you eat.
It kind of replaces an energy drink. Like instead of having coffee like you just did, have a greens drink. So I think the energy boost is real. And if you're struggling to get, it's real. If you're struggling to get off coffee or caffeine, then replacing it with a green supplement like that is like a really good strategy.
All right, if you're ready to live lean, go get our free 7-day Live Lean Starter Guide. You'll discover the workout and the nutrition secrets to simplify your journey to healthy and sustainable results that last forever. So the starter guide includes a 7-day workout schedule comprised of 7 Live Lean workouts focused on fat burning, lean muscle building, athleticism, and mobility. And every workout includes exercise demo videos. You'll also receive a free 7-day Live Lean meal plan, which includes step-by-step cooking videos for every single recipe. So go join thousands of others and get this free instant access to all this, plus our 5 steps to start living lean today. Click the link to sign up for free in the description below. Today's question of the day: have you ever tried a greens powder supplement? Share your experiences in the comments section below. Now I want you to go watch this video right over here on the 3 supplements that we take all year round.